Alright, what's up YouTube? Bobcat325 here. So, today I gotta start out by changing a hydraulic line. I got a hydraulic line that started leaking. And, so yeah, do a video of that showing you guys. So on these mini excavators, whenever you have to do a hydraulic line, it's like there's a maze of lines under the seat here, under the panel. It's crazy how many hydraulic lines are really on one of these things. But yeah, you gotta follow it and find it and get her done. So here we go. Alright, so yeah, I had already started, took off the floor. First the cushion floor mat, and then there's two floor panels, got like 4 bolts, and then I took the side cover off that had 4 bolts, and then I had to undo 2 on the side of the seat and 3 on the bottom of this here, your pilot control, the whole housing here, because that had to be, because I was tracing the line, and where it's leaking is actually under this. I ended up finding out. So I had to just take it off, and just enough room to move it over. And I did finalize and find out exactly which one. So I marked it. Because I tried for a while trying to find out which one. I had the machine running, I was underneath it, this and that. And I ended up having to, sometimes you got to take some more stuff apart to find it. So then that line goes up underneath to one of the other pumps under the seat, under this this other cover. So I got to zip these off. I try to use my my impact gun, the cordless one I got, whenever I could. Makes things faster. Take this off, bang it off. Okay. There's some more. Clean this stuff out. Look at the lines. Alright, so let me find that other line again. Okay, so it was this one. And it's always the hardest one every time. Let me see. So you got this to this to that. Alright, so I think it's that bottom one. Oh my God. Alright, so I think it's this bottom one here. Very clean. Yeah, and I ended up going to this one here. I hope I don't have to take this panel off here now. Here's the pain in the ass. So much dirt that gets collected down in the bottom here. I cleaned it out twice in the last, I don't know, couple seasons. I really cleaned it out good. It just keeps accumulating in there. Alright, so sometimes you got to take other lines off just to get at the line you need. We'll see. See what we got. Whoop. Might have to take that one off. Shit. Gotta always keep things clean, the fittings. No matter what, especially just before you get them off the threads. You don't want stuff falling in there. Damn this shit. I'd blow this all out if I had my air compressor with me, but I don't. Okay, so that's out of the way. Let's see. I need this bottom one. I think it's gonna be pain in the ass. Let's see what this top one size is. Look, one smaller than 3/4. Oh, what would that be? 11/16? Yeah. Ah. No go. Damn it. Alright, one more. Clean this off. Alright, so let's see if we got enough room now. Got it. One time I had to take a wrench and actually cut it shorter so I can make it work. Sometimes you gotta do shit like that. Figure I start videoing some of the repairs I do. Might help somebody else. If you start taking off any more than those two like I did, you gotta start marking them. I mean, I know which ones go where just by the length, but any more than that, you definitely gotta put colored zip ties. Can't screw around with that. Jesus. There it is. Okay, so let me flop this one back over. Just put it on a couple of threads. Sometimes you gotta hold it so it's straight.